Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you what is a remote function in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is to just demonstrate it, I'm gonna add a screen UI right here, frame, then a text button, and just let's place it right here. And what we're going to do is add a local script inside of it. And I already added our event, so our server event, and I called it touched. So what you want to do is to add it is go to plus and find the server event. I mean, not the server event, just the remote event. Yep. And call it touched. That's how I like to call it, but you can call it whatever you want. What we want to do here is say script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect and function right here. And the next thing that you want to do is add an end. And then what we want to do is make our server transfers. So let's add a script right here. And what is a remote event? It is like I mentioned, those are two servers. So this is server 1, this is server 2. They have to connect between each other. And the touched event, so our remote event is what is a receiver, and it receives all the information and then sends it to this script, which is why I made that script. And then let's do game.replicate as storage.touched fire server. And now what we're gonna do next is add little stats that I'm adding them, so it will give like 10 cash to a player. So let's just say game.players the player added connect function, and then local litter stats equals game dot. Actually, let's just call instance.new, and let's say folder right here. And then comma, this is going to be the parent of it, which is going to be game.players. Actually, it's going to be just a player, so we don't have to do all of that. I just say player in function, PLR, as I like to call it, and then let's just say player like right here. And now let's make our leader stats, and actually let's make a name for it. So leader.name equals leader stats, and you have to call it exactly leader stats without any capitals or something like that. And now let's make our leader stats, our value, so it's going to be local cache equals instance.new. Let's call it actually let's call it a string and number value. Also, I'm gonna make a number value. Then let's say comma right here and say leader. So the parent is going to be our leader stats, and then what we're going to do is cache.name equals cache. Okay, great. Now let's call this leader stats our script. And now what we're gonna do next is go to this script and delete all this and type game.replicated storage that touched dot on server events connect and then function. And then this is our receiver. So when it receives our message from that script right here, it is going to be doing the thing that we type right here. So let's give it game.playus. Actually, we can make it like that. So we can say a local player is it as a local function. I mean local script. So local player equals game.playus dot local player. It only works with the local script. So, and then let's make a transfer of our player right here. So our local and local value, and then what we're gonna do next is right here say player. So we would receive player. Then player dot latest stats dot cache dot value equals the same thing. So player dot latest stats dot cache dot value, and actually I type capital P here. And then plus, let's say 10. Okay, now let's test it out. And so we have our GUI, and let's click our button, and it doesn't give us cache, and because the mouse, what? It doesn't make any sense. Oh, right, yeah. Oh, that makes so much sense. So it connects when we make our function, which is not what we wanted, and we have to make this local out of the function. So it's just going to be this right here. And now let's test it out again. I guess it will work. I'm not sure. Oh, that's right. I see what the problem is. I put it right in the starter player. And actually, we don't have to do that. I didn't see what was the problem. And now let's test it out. I guess now it will work. And let's click our button, and it gives us time cache. So this is pretty much it for this video. And I hope you would subscribe, and also I have no idea what the Roblox added right here. I guess it's something that Roblox made. Funny. And so that's it from my video. Thanks for watching, and see you later.